Okay, welcome to another class of English for 7th grade. This is class number 2, and my name is Sabi Vega. I'm your teacher. The objectives for these sessions are use numbers correctly, learn the alphabet, practice spelling names, and reading large numbers. Okay, let's start with the alphabet. Okay, the alphabets are the ones that we use every time that we want to spell a word. Here we have the words, you have the letter, and you have a word that corresponds to that letter. Okay, you can repeat at home. Okay, A, apple, A, apple, A, apple, B, 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 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are the letters of the alphabet. Now let's read some words that start with this letter. Okay? Apple, bee, cat, dog, elephant, flower, giraffe, house, ice cream, jellyfish, king, lion, moon, nurse, or panda, queen, rabbit, sun, tree, umbrella, violet, walrus, xylophone, yo-yo, zebra. Okay, let's repeat the words, the letters from the alphabet again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. As I mentioned before, we use the letters from the alphabet to spell words. So the first question when you talk to another person and that person doesn't know how to write your name, they will ask you, can you spell your name, please, or your last name? So this is the question. Let's imagine you are in a conversation, and in here we have a short example of this type of conversation. Can you spell your last name? Last name in Spanish is apellido, okay? So sometimes our last names are difficult to pronounce and difficult to write. So the person that is talking to you is going to ask you like to spell your name. So what do you have to do? You have to say word letter by letter, okay? Letter by letter that forms your last name. For example, can you spell your last name? Yes, it's Wilson. 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 Okay? Look at the technique. You say your name or your last name first, then you spell and you repeat the word. Okay? Like for example, my last name is Vega. 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 Okay, I say the word Vega. I spell the word Vega, and then I repeat the word at the end. Vega. Okay, here we have more examples. Can you spell your last name? Yes, it's Hernandez. You spell it Hernandez. Hernandez. Okay, here we have another example. Ana, here we have one example. This is Cheng, okay? Can you spell your last name? Yes, it is Cheng. Chen. Cheng. Can you spell your last name? Yes, it's Dubrowski. Dubrovsky. Dubrowski. Can you spell your last name? Yes, it's Cohen. 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 What is your last name? Do you know how to spell your last name? Practice. Okay, now let's check at numbers. Numbers in English are easy to learn. Okay, what do we have to do is master the first 10 numbers. Let's check the ones that we have here. Okay, this is the digital number, and this is the word that corresponds to the name of the number. So we have here the natural number 1, 1, 1. They are cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Once you master the first 10 numbers, it is easy to remember the rest of the numbers. Okay, but we have a slightly different here with 11 and 12. Okay, they change a little bit. So you have to memorize this number. 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12. Then we have 13. That is slightly different from 3. We have 13, 13, 14. That is made from 4, 14, 15 from 5, 16 from 6, 17 from 7, 18 from 8, 19 from 9. Okay? So this is the trick. Okay? All of them finish in the ending teen. Teen indicates adolescent. Yes. So we have here, let's repeat those numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now we are here in the 20s. Okay, now these are the combination of the first one with the ending T. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What do they have in common? They are very similar to the first numbers. They are very similar. The only difference is the ending T. Okay? Let's count the numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. If you want to say 21, then you combine 20 plus the word 1, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now we move to 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39. Now we move to 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Now we are in the 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Okay? Now 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 55, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79. 80s, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Okay, now we finish with the 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Now we have 99 numbers, but we want to have the crown, that is 100. Yes, you mentioned the first one, 1, and the ending 100. If you want to say 100, 100. If you want to say 200, then you combine 2 plus 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900. After that, we got to 199. So we move to the 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1, the same number, 1, plus the ending 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000. Okay, those are examples of big numbers. Then we have million. Yes, million. You have the double L, but it's only one sound of the L. Million, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, okay? And so on. Just practice. Remember, the key here is to master the first numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? The rest, just practice. Here we have some examples of how to read or how to say large numbers. Large means big. Like, for example, here we have 1355, but we don't read it like this. It's not a phone number. We say 1,000, 1,355. 1,355. The second example, 2, but it's 2,000. 2,587. 2,587. The third example, we have a million. 1,010,217. Okay, repeat. Practice at home. 1,010,217. Okay, so what is the difference of using numbers? Sometimes large numbers are difficult to manage. So if you are in a hurry and someone asks you for your phone number, giving like an 8-digit number is too much. So when we say our phone number, when someone asks you about your phone number, it's easier to say it individually. Yes, telephone numbers in English, each number one by one. That means individually. For example, what is your phone number? It's 36925847. Yes, every number, every digit is set individually. Okay, it's 36925847. You can divide it in clusters, a cluster of 4 numbers first, and then you say the other 4 numbers together. Okay? So in here we have more examples. But what happens when my phone number has a number 0? 0. 0. It's sometimes difficult to understand. So we replace the word 0 by using the word O. O. So you read it like this. 50591023. O is more common in English to use when you give your phone number. Okay? So in here we have one example. It is correct to use 0. That's understandable. But it's more common to use the expression O, O, O. But it is correct to say 50591023. That's correct too. Okay? I'm just talking about what is more usual, what is more casual, what is more common. Okay? When numbers appear consecutively, we normally say 570833. Like in here, we have 2, 3 together. You say this like double 3 consecutively. Okay? You mentioned 10 consecutively. 3369. In here, we have 37. Okay? 21498777. 777. That means that is 3 times 7. 777, 3 times 7. Okay? Mobile phones. There are some differences between British and American. Yes. Most of the time, those big numbers include an area code, a country code, and the local. In Panama, we use 507 or 507. 507, that's our country code. 507, 507. Then you have a plus, and then your phone number. In my case, for example, 671990 or 46. 46. Okay, here we have an example. The country code, 64 or 64. The area code is 9, and the local number 4321 0987. Okay? But numbers are more than just counting. Numbers are more than just giving phone numbers. We use numbers for mathematical operations. Yes, we use numbers for math operations. Okay, let's check some of these examples. Okay, example A, 35 plus 15 equal 50. Here you have the word, how to read it like this. 35, 35 plus. Plus is that symbol. This symbol is called plus. Okay, 15 is the number. And also we have another symbol here that is read equals. You read it like equals. And then the result is 50. Here we have another one, but this is a different mathematical operation. That was addition, and this is subtraction. 30 minus 12 equals 18. Here we have an operation that is multiplication. 6 times. 6 times. Yes, this symbol is read times. 6 times 6 equals 36. Yes, the x in mathematical operation is read in English times. Here we have another operation that is division. Okay, 12 divided by. Yes, this is the correct way to read this symbol. Divided by. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And here we have some words or some operation clue words. Remember, read each question carefully and think about what the question is asking. If you have the words for additions here, add, all together, and both, in all, some, total, increase. All these words mean addition. Here we have some other words that refer to subtraction. Difference, fewer, give away, take away, how many more, how many longer, shorter, smaller, left, less, take away, change, and decrease. And remember, how do you read the symbol? Minus, minus. How do you read this symbol? Plus, plus, plus. And this one for the multiplication, times, times. And the symbol for the division, you read it divided by. Some words related to multiplication, each, same, twice, product, in all, double. Some words related to division, share, equally, each, quotient, and every. What is important here is that you have to memorize the symbols. The symbols and the way you have to read those symbols. Okay, for addition, plus, plus. For subtraction, minus, minus. For multiplication, times. And for division, divided by. Let's talk about the task. You have some tasks to do. So let's explain that task. Okay, here in a platform, you have some tasks. You have task 1, task 2, and task 3 available for you. Remember, you have to submit those tasks before October 23rd. Okay? See you next class.